Scooby Bus!
Let's go, Sheriff Labrador!
Assemble! Rainbow Explorers, Part 4.
We're happy diggers! Never better!
We're strong diggers and we're clever!
We'll keep digging like the best moles ever!
We'll make the best underground maze ever!
Underneath Rainbow Meadows, a large group of moles were hard at work digging countless winding tunnels, forming an extremely complex underground maze. Anyone entering the tunnels will surely get lost. At the center of the maze is a huge hole where several moles gathered, holding stolen goods like wallets, cell phones, pizza, strawberry cakes, and...
Boss! I caught 3 kids who hit me with a soccer ball. I locked them up so that when we leave Rainbow Island, we can take them to some other island and sell them for tons of money.
Good work! Our mole gang is going to be rich!
The evil laughter of the moles could be heard echoing throughout the maze of passages. Lil Zebra, Gideon the Crocodile, and Peggy the Piggy, who were trapped in a small hole, were all trembling with fear. Their tears streamed down their cheeks, unchecked and relentless. Amid the crying, Giddy the Crocodile sniffed firmly.
Sheriff Labrador once said that when we encounter danger, we should stay calm and think carefully. We need to find a way out. Marcus, but this place is like a big maze. We'll never make it out on our own. Then we have to find a way to help Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman find us. What can we do?
Before the kids could come up with a plan, things seemed to go from bad to worse. Cret the Mole's evil voice grew louder and louder.
Guys, pack up everything! We're leaving Rainbow Island with the kids! Yeah! Hooray!
After hearing that rescue no longer seemed possible, Lil Zebra's tears immediately spouted from his sad face like a bubbling spring.
Team Marcus, they're taking us away. We'll never see our parents again.